In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on an international online clothing store, using Shein as an example, and share a little Shein haul with you. Shopping online from international retailers can be a thrilling experience, but it can also feel daunting if you're not familiar with the process. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step. So, let's dive right in and make your shopping experience as smooth as possible. First things first, head over to Shein's website. It's a well-organized platform that offers a wide range of clothing options. Once you're there, it's time to start browsing. You have a couple of ways to find what you're looking for. You can simply browse through the categories if you're still deciding or know which section you want to explore. Alternatively, you can use the search bar to look for specific items if you have something particular in mind. For an even faster search, take advantage of the filters on the site. You can narrow down your options by size, color, price, or even customer rating, which is incredibly helpful. Now on to a crucial part of online shopping, checking the size and measurements. This step is often overlooked, but getting it right is key to ensuring a good fit. Always compare your body measurements with the item's size chart. Every brand and even every garment can differ slightly in sizing, so this step is essential. Furthermore, don't skip reading through customer reviews. They often contain useful information about how the clothing fits and its fabric quality, which can help you make an informed decision. After finding something you love, it's time to add it to your cart. Don't hesitate to add multiple items to your shopping cart. It's like a virtual shopping basket. Plus, here's a nifty little tip. Shein sometimes sends discount codes for items left in your cart, giving you that extra incentive to complete your purchase. Once your cart is loaded up with your favorite picks, it's time to apply some discounts to maximize your savings. Shein often offers various deals, such as welcome discounts, promo codes, or app-specific deals, so keep an eye out for these opportunities. Try to stack discounts when possible for even better savings. With everything ready, you're set for checkout. Choose your preferred payment method, whether that's a credit or debit card, PayPal, or another accepted option. Before you finalize your purchase, double-check the shipping fees, estimated delivery times, and any applicable taxes to avoid any surprises. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the online shopping experience with Shein. Remember, the more you shop online, the more intuitive it becomes. Now, sit back and wait for your new wardrobe to arrive at your doorstep. Happy shopping!